Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in case this is your first time here, my name is Teresa. In this channel I share recipes, I do lifestyle, beauty, and maybe just a little bit of everything though. So guys, this is going to be a vlog. Yeah, I've been using this bed for a long time because this bed is so tiny and is my go-to bed, like my everyday bed. The head just broke off. Since then I cannot use it because so I went to H&M yesterday and got this bed for myself. So the bed was supposed to be like $7.99. So as soon as I went to pay, the lady told me it's €1. Guys, the joy in my heart, I was so excited, like from €8 to €1. We have 2 hours to go out. So guys, we'll see you guys later. Since Nathan is just disturbing. Bye bye. Bye bye. You too. Bye bye. So guys, I'm done now. I don't know if this is supposed to be a get ready with me. So this is the final look. This is the final look, guys. Yeah, this is the shoe I'm wearing. Yeah, my shoe is from Zara though. I think my whole outfit is from Zara, guys. You guys know I'm a Zara fan. Oh, look at Nathan. He's so cute. Turn your back, papi. Turn your back. Yeah. So guys, yeah, we are going out now. Like I said, we just have 2 hours. So it's already 4 o'clock now. So this is it. This is the outfit of the day. Come on, show your outfit. Yeah, the kids are already dressed. I'm just the one remaining. I don't think this mirror is clean. Okay, look at Harmony. Yeah, look at Harmony. Because Harmony jeans is from, I think it's from Zara. Our top. Okay guys, let me see. Yes, our top is also from Zara and our shoe is from H&M. Yeah, this shoe is a gift from our uncle. Uncle? Yes, it's a Astrid uncle that, but you forgot? No, so turn and show your outfit, Mama. Yeah, that's what Harmony is wearing, and her rough hair which she did on her birthday. I have to take this down because she's going to resume school on Monday. And I have ring. Okay, she wants to show you guys her ring. I bought this ring yesterday. Sorry, love it, guys. Sorry, it was a mistake. Sorry, it was a mistake. Okay, just such a cutie. Okay, sometimes doing free sets. Where we are going. Nathan, be careful. Be careful. Look at water. Jump. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Everywhere is closing up already and it's just to 5, huh? I just hope Carrefour is still open. The shop we are going to. Look at that money at the back. Anita, Nathan, say cuckoo. We just have to worry. All shops are closed already. I hope Carrefour is still open. Mama, we have a little bit. No running, no running. Here is Nathan. Come here, Smalley. Allez. So we are at Carrefour, guys. Come on, hurry up. Allez. Give me your hand. Now we are at Carrefour. Yes. No, I just coming to pick some things. I don't want to take basket. Just have to hurry, guys. Harmony is tired. Look at her face. Look at your tired face, Mama. Come, let's go. These look like my phone, but not exactly. This is a YP40. Let's take a look at that t-shirt. It's so cute. They say I'm the future. Kind of like this jean though. It's simple, but it's cute. It's just 10 euros. I can stop shouting. It's a kids session. Going to be awesome. And this one, I kind of like this jumper though. Look at Nathan shopping gay stuff as if he's a girl. I like this trouser. How much is this one? 10 euros. So I kind of like this though. And that's okay. And then let's go. Let's go. We only have 1 hour to go. And nothing. It's quite affordable. I have to wait till summer before I shop t-shirts. Look at this one. It's just $2.99. But I cannot find the clothes on sale though. Look at these two. They are so cute. Allez, Papi, let's go. This is what you get when you take Nathan house without stroller. This is what you get. Allez, let's go. What's that? Which one? You have little for children.
But you can't.
He's there. It's where they carry caddy. Their shoes are so cute. I don't want to buy any shoes for Nathan now because these days they don't really have where to go to. I'm gonna help him to do his cap. What now? It's supposed to be sales though, but these are new collection, but they are quite affordable though, just $5.99. Look at Nathan is doing his own shopping there. Give me joy. Oh God, I'm only like princess stuff. Anna and Elsa. It's just this jumper that I just like. Mama, do you like it or not?
Yes, I like it.
They say hello.
Hello.
And the other one, the blue one, they say imagine.
Imagine for what?
Look at Nathan shopping girls' clothes. Are you a girl? Are you a girl, Papi?
Well, this is
Look, this is. So are we taking this or not? Are we taking this or not? Yes?
Yes.
6 euros. These two, yeah. Harmony like the yellow one. I like it too. They wrote a hello. But I kind of prefer this one because they wrote a outfit of the day. But guys, we are going for both of them though. It's very affordable. It's just $5.99. Look at this one and its shenanigans. So let's see what they have and then we go. They kind of have cute jumpers for kids. Just take a look at the order. Nata, come this way, Papi. I don't want to shop summer clothes now. Just want to wait till it's summer. I just need some things for spring because very soon it will be spring. Nata, right we bite you. Look at this. They are so cute. Yeah, this is what they have. Look at this top. It's so cute. Just take a look at this tickets. Allez, let's go. So guys, we are done. How many you have this cloth? I think I know your own is from Zara. I thought I bought it here. It's not from here.
Yeah, but it's the same.
It's the same thing, but your own is from Zara. So guys, we are done shopping. We want to go and pay now. Come. Take a look at this top. Said I'm a diva. I do what I want. No drama. Kind of like it though. It's not on sale, so we can buy it anytime. So we are going to take our bus now. The kids are here. Nathan, where are you, Papi?
The magazine.
How did they build it?
Yes.
I don't know. They build it just as they build houses. Why are you asking?
Because I don't know.
Because it's too big.
Yeah, and
Oh no, we missed the bus.
oh no.
Yeah, there was a bus there, but I can't find it anymore. Did we miss it?
Huh?
There was a bus here. Yeah, I cannot see the bus. That's what?
Oh, you're ready?
I'm on help him to do it, please. This is a very big commercial center. Yeah. Look at this one. I want to run inside the video. I'm only the little YouTuber. Yeah, I'm only have a YouTube channel, guys. Go and subscribe to my daughter's channel, please. It's called Harmony the Diva because she's a diva. Yeah. So guys, we are waiting for our bus now, and we are going to be ending this vlog right here. And I come this way, Papi. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. If you do, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, you know, like, comment, share and subscribe if you have not already. So guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Bye bye. Yeah.